Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the headlights. We're going to do it on the driver's side or left side of the vehicle, because there's a few pieces that you need to remove to do that. The passenger side, you can do that without taking it all out, but you don't really need to remove anything to do that side. So I'm going to show you on this side. Okay, so to start with, we've moved up here. We would like to take this piece off, which is part of the air intake, and then this piece here, and then that way we can get access to be able to get down here to replace the three lights that we can replace. Right? So to get this, we have a push pin right here that we need to remove, and we just pull this tab here to undo this. So use whatever tool you like to use to get push pins out. Small screwdriver or a pick tool work well. Okay, so with that on, then we can pull this thing off, rubber grommet holding it in right there. Set that to the side. And then next, we have two push pins that are up here, one here, one there. Just remove those, and then we've got a number 10 bolt that needs to be removed on this side. And with those two components removed, now we have access to come back here to be able to remove the bulbs and replace them. Now we've gone ahead and removed some intake parts here. And that way we can have easier access to reach in here to replace these. So low beam, high beam, and then over here is the blinker one, and you're going to look for, it's a gray tab. You're going to reach down in here, and then you're going to twist that a quarter turn to the left or counterclockwise, and then that way you can pull this whole emblem out. And then this bulb, you just pull to release this bulb here. So your turn signal is a 7440 natural amber, and the amber is just the color of this bulb. You would want to get the natural amber one because there's not a colored lens. Your lens is clear out front, and so if you put a clear one in, then people aren't going to really know what you're indicating to do. So you get your natural amber, then you would just take it and press it into place, and then grabbing the whole wand here, be able to get it to go back down in there. You keep the tab at a 45, and then you can just turn it a quarter turn to the right or clockwise to install that and tighten it into place. So that's how you install, remove and install your blinker light on your 2019 Nissan Rouge. Last, you just go ahead and put your air cleaner pieces back on. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.